Garage door spring and opener replacement should not cost you $5,000. Here's why you probably got ripped off and what to watch out for. Alright, so first up, never accept a price without a full breakdown. Ask them exactly what parts and labor are included because, honestly, a good LiftMaster opener with all the gadgets, like sensors, remotes, keypad, the whole deal, usually runs under $500, and labor for installing that is maybe around $175. Springs? Replacing both usually adds a few hundred more, but even then, most folks pay about $1,000 to $1,200 total for the whole spring and opener swap. If someone quotes you $5,000, that's a massive red flag, unless you're getting a full garage door replacement with high-end insulated doors and extras. Also, check if the opener is belt drive or chain drive. Belt drives tend to be pricier but quieter and smoother. Don't forget to ask if they include warranty coverage on parts and labor. This could save you big down the road. Always get at least 2 or 3 quotes before committing, and look online for reviews of the company to see if others had similar overcharging issues. Lastly, if they can't explain why the price is so high, trust your gut and keep looking. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to garage door spring and opener replacement is not comparing prices from different contractors. This leads to getting ripped off because you don't know the going rate. Another common issue is hiring companies that don't provide detailed quotes or explanations, which causes confusion about what you're actually paying for. The third mistake is ignoring the type and quality of parts used. Cheaper springs or openers might save money upfront but can fail fast, while some places charge a lot for unnecessary premium parts. To fix these, always ask for written quotes that itemize parts and labor, read customer reviews to check reputations, and research the brands and models offered so you know what's fair and what's not. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who offer transparent pricing and quality work for projects like garage door repairs or replacements. For contractors, it's a great way to get legitimate jobs and build their business without shady pricing tactics.